Welcome, fam. You don't need to wake up in pain for it to affect your day. Sometimes it's just that low-grade tension, the stiffness in your lower back or the heaviness in your legs that slows you down before you even start. Let's hit the mat. We're starting where most people feel stuck, the back of your legs and your lower spine. This stretch decompresses your entire posterior chain, giving your nervous system space to breathe before the world starts pulling at you. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, hinge forward from the hips, not the waist. Let your hands hang or rest them on the floor or ankles. Soften your knees if your back feels tight. You're going to feel a stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and low back. This one move can release days of built-up tension in just seconds. When your hamstrings are tight, your lower back pays the price. Did you know that forward folds actually calm your nervous system and reduce stress, physically and mentally? A little challenge for you. Let your head be heavy. Stay here 5 more seconds. Feel that gentle unravel down your spine yet? If not, bend your knees slightly and breathe deeper. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. We're expanding your reach now, literally. This movement starts to activate muscles you might have forgotten were tight. Step your feet wider than your shoulders. Hinge at the hips, touch the left foot with your right hand. Return to center, then touch your right foot with your left hand. Move slowly and with control. You're going to feel a deep stretch across your hamstrings and inner thighs, plus a twist through the spine. I promise twisting and folding together resets the hips and improves spinal rotation, which supports your posture the rest of the day. This diagonal movement stimulates the brain coordination centers. It's more than a stretch, it's a neural reboot. Try to reach 1 inch farther. Hold for 5 seconds. Do you feel more rotation or more pull? That tells you where your body's holding tension. That just unlocked your sides. Now we dive into your hamstrings. Here's where things get real. If you've been avoiding your hamstrings, this is where you meet them face to face. Start in a low lunge position. Shift your hips back, straighten the front leg. Flex the front foot and square your hips forward. Breathe into the tension, don't force it. You're going to feel a long, controlled stretch in the hamstrings and calf of your extended leg. Releasing the hamstrings takes pressure off your pelvis and spine and sets you up for smoother movement all day. Did you know that flexible hamstrings reduce your risk of knee pain and spinal compression? Deepen for 5 more seconds. Hold it with intention. Can you feel the difference between each leg yet? We'll fix that with the next move. That just uncoiled your hamstrings. Now let's spiral into your spine. This stretch fuses rotation with hip mobility, great for breaking patterns of stiffness. Start in a low lunge, right foot forward, left leg back. Place your left hand on the floor, right hand reaches to the sky. Open your chest, look toward the lifted hand. After 30 seconds, switch sides. You're going to feel a deep stretch in the hip flexors and a spiral through the upper spine. Twisting here balances your core, resets your breath, and connects your upper and lower body. Most people only rotate their spine in one direction all day. This corrects that imbalance. Stay in the twist 5 more seconds, deeper breath. Can you reach your fingers just 1 inch higher? That's where your release is hiding. That just fuses strength with mobility. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.